I model men's, women's, everything in between. Oftentimes, a period is a really difficult thing for a model. It's really, really, it may not seem like a big deal, but in a world that is infatuated with weight and size and oftentimes makes you do our auditions in a G-string, having a period is always like, okay, if you're on your period, you can't do this shoot, you can't do this audition, or if you do them, it can be quite embarrassing. I remember always being like really embarrassed when I was doing a shoot, and then of course you have to change in front of everyone, and I wasn't using tampons because I was very much against them. And everybody was like, oh, you should, you're a model, and I always felt weird about them, you know? But I was always embarrassed to like take off my pants in front of everyone, and you can very clearly see the wings of the pad underneath the underwear. And then people knew you were on your period, and then they're like, we don't know if we can have you. This clothing is very expensive. You might bleed on the clothing. I can't explain just how mortifying it is. Not because I'm embarrassed that I have my period. It's because you feel like you're inconvenient to everyone around you. And that this thing that's happening to you is just inconvenient too. So in those situations as well, like I wish I had had a menstrual cup. A menstrual cup makes it so that your business is no one else's business. Everything is kind of just, you know, safely tucked away. You can work for long periods of time. Nobody really knows what's going on with your body.